All right, let's talk about one of the biggest names in web development right now, Next.js. We're going to get under the hood and figure out exactly what it is and what makes it so incredibly popular.
So chances are you're already building web apps with React, or at least you've heard of it. It's that amazing library for crafting user interfaces, right? It lets you build these cool, interactive components. You can think of React as the powerful, high-performance engine for your application.
But here's the thing. An engine, no matter how powerful, can't really get you anywhere by itself. It needs everything else: the chassis, the wheels, the transmission, the body. It needs a complete system around it to actually become a functional car. And that analogy, well, it's perfect for what we're talking about.
And that is exactly where Next.js comes into the picture. If React is our high-performance engine, then Next.js is the whole car, built and optimized to make that engine shine.
So, what is it officially? Next.js is a React framework. It's designed specifically for building full-stack web applications. It takes React for building the UI and then adds a whole layer of crucial features and smart optimizations on top.
And who is this for? Well, it's built for creating these super interactive UIs, for handling all kinds of dynamic content, and, maybe most importantly, for delivering really fast performance. It works great whether you're a solo developer working on your own project or a massive team at a big company. It just scales.
Okay, so you might be asking, why not just use React on its own? And that's a great question. The answer really comes down to one core idea: letting you focus on building your app, not messing around with configuration. Just think about all the complicated setup you usually have to do for a modern web project. You've got bundlers, compilers, and a dozen other tools that need to be configured just right. Well, Next.js takes care of all of that for you right out of the box. It's like having a team of expert mechanics who've already tuned the car perfectly before you even sit in the driver's seat.
And this is the real magic of it. Because all that tedious setup is handled for you, you can get straight to the good stuff. You can focus your time and energy on building your product's features and shipping it to your users fast.
Now, let's dive into a really key piece of its architecture, the way it handles routing. You see, Next.js has this really clever setup with two different routing systems that can work together. It's like a tale of two systems.
You've got the app router, which is the newer, more modern approach, and you have the pages router, which is the original classic system. Let's put them side by side, because understanding this is key to seeing how Next.js manages to be both cutting edge and super stable.
Okay, check this out. The app router is built for the future. It supports all the new, powerful React features like server components. To do this, it actually uses special canary releases of React that are baked right in, giving it access to the latest stuff. On the other hand, the pages router is the original workhorse. It's still fully supported, and it uses whatever React version you have specified in your project's package.json file. It's all about stability.
And why do this? Well, this two-router strategy is brilliant. It lets Next.js experiment and innovate with the latest React features in the app router, while making sure that all the existing apps built with the pages router keep working perfectly. It's really the best of both worlds. You get innovation without sacrificing backwards compatibility.
So, are you getting excited to jump in and start building? Awesome. But hold on, before you hit the gas, let's just quickly talk about what you should probably know before you start your Next.js journey.
The path here is super clear. First, you've got to have your web fundamentals down. You know, solid HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Next up, you need to understand the engine, which is React. The official recommendation is to take a React Foundations course. And once you've got that, then you're ready to learn about the full car with a Next.js Foundations course.
All right, you've got the map, you know what Next.js is all about, and you know how to prep for the ride. So, what's the very next step? Where do you go from here?
Honestly, it couldn't be easier. Just head straight over to the official Next.js documentation and click on their Getting Started guide. It's this fantastic, step-by-step tutorial that will walk you through building your very first app using the app router.
And hey, remember, you are not going on this journey alone. If you ever get stuck or you just have questions, the Next.js community is absolutely massive and super friendly. You can find them everywhere: GitHub, discussions, Discord, X, Reddit. Don't hesitate to reach out. So there you have it. Next.js gives you the complete fine-tuned vehicle so you can just focus on driving, on building, not on tinkering with the engine. The tools are ready for you. The community has your back. Your next amazing app really does start right here. So,
The only question left is, what are you going to build?